Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start our today's session. Now tell me, how are you feeling today? Do you feel cold or is it a warm day? Okay. Now students, tell me, in winter season, what do you like to eat? I like soup, hot coffee, tea, etc. Now we are going to sing a rhyme. Winter is here from our book. For this, open your book poems and go to page number 23. Now let's start the rhyme. Winter is here, I love this time of the year. Everything I see is bright, the trees are covered in white. Marching through the snow, dressed from head to toe. Everywhere I go, trees are frosted in snow. Snowflakes on the ground, they fall without a sound. Yes, student. Dear students, now open your book I Can Beginners, book 4, and go to page number 26 and 27. See on this page. Now winter season is going on. Students, what do you like to wear? I like to wear woolen clothes like jacket, coat, gloves, woolen cap, muffler, etc. In winter season, I like to eat soup, hot milk, hot coffee, etc. Students, we should enjoy every season because each season has their own importance. Okay, students? In this session, we have a chart, that is alphabet chart. Now we are going to revise alphabet from A to Z. A apple, a ant, a airplane, balloon, bee, beer, C cat, carrot, cow, D drum, dog, dove. Now next letter is E elephant, F for frog, F for fish, F for fox. G grapes, grasshopper, girl. Now next is H her horse, H her hair, H her house. Now next is I eyes, ice cream, iguana. Now next letter is J jester, jelly, jellyfish. K king, kangaroo. Now do you know next letter is? Yes, L lamb, lemon, lion. M, monkey. M, mouse. M, mushroom. Next letter is N. N, nest. N, nun. N, nurse. Now next is N after O. O is for owl. O, octopus. O, orange. P, parrot. P, pig. P, potato. Next is Q. Queen. Q, quill. R, rose. R, rabbit. R, raspberry. Now next is S. S, strawberry. S, sun. S, snake. T, tiger. T, turtle. T, train. U, umbrella. U, unicorn. V, vacuum. V, violin. V, van. W for walrus. W, wheel. W, wolf. Now next is X. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for Xenopus. Now next is Y. Y, yogurt. Y, yacht. Now next is Z. Z is zebra. Z is zero. Z is zipper. Okay, students. Now in this session we will learn the concept of different and same. I have some objects like crayons, pencils, erasers, sharpeners, etc. Now first image is we have some pencils and color. Now you tell me which one is different object? Yes, student. Yes, crayon. Okay, student. Here is crayon different. Okay. Now next image is here we have some objects, 4 eraser and 1 sharpener. Now tell me which object is different? Yes. Yes, student. Sharpener is different. Okay. Now again we have some objects. Here we have 3 sharpeners and 1 color. Okay. Color is different object. Clear, student? Okay. Here we have some erasers. Now you tell me. Yes, eraser also different object. Okay, student. Now activity time. Students, now bring a drawing sheet and draw a snowman like showing on your mobile screen. After that, paste cotton to complete the snowman. You have and make its eyes using buttons. You have to send me after completing this activity. Okay, students? Now, story time. The title of the story is The Grasshopper and the Ant. Okay, students? Once upon a time, The grasshopper was playing his guitar and enjoying the sunshine. The grasshopper sat under a tree and played happily. He saw an ant working very hard to gather food. The grasshopper laughed at the ant and said, "Stop your silly work and have fun with me." "No, no," said the ant. "I am gathering food for winter. You must do that too." "Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Right now I have plenty to eat. Why should I worry now?" laughed the grasshopper. The grasshopper spent the rest of the sunny days having fun. Finally, winter season began. The grasshopper shivered in the cold and had nothing to eat. Everything was buried under the snow. The hungry grasshopper could not find anything to eat. He went to the ant house and knocked. The ant opened the door. The grasshopper cried, "I'm hungry, I'm hungry. I cannot find anything to eat." The ant felt pity on him. The ant called the grasshopper inside and gave him food. The grasshopper ate happily and promised the ant that he will never waste time before winter. Students, moral of the story is be responsible and prepare for days of necessity. Again, student, I repeat the moral of the story. Be responsible and prepare for days of necessities. Okay, student? Goodbye. Have a nice day.